Hey there, my name is Nader Najad. I'm the director of Nader Najad Media, a digital agency specializing in online reputation. My dog's here, he wants the attention. But the goal of this video is not to get my dog attention, it's to teach you how to get positive attention. In today's video, 3 top tips that are gonna help you boost your online reputation every single day. It's a busy day, so it's evening now, it's 6 o'clock. So I wanna make this video quick, but I wanna make it tactful. I want you to be able to take these tips and tricks and implement them today. So number 1, publishing strategy. You need to write words every single month about you or have someone write them, and you want to publish them and guest post them on sites. You can go to websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com to find people who can do this. We have built up an internal resource of publishers that we can always publish with, guaranteed all the time. So, we have high-end publishers, we have lower publishers. It really helps for guaranteed placements, but that's strategy number 1. They rank on Google, they look good, they're social proof, and they help you. Number 2, running social media networks all the time. You don't have to be on every social network, but you want to be on the main ones that help you. YouTube is a big one for me. Instagram is a big one for me, but I mainly use YouTube and LinkedIn. These are the 2 best platforms that I use for my reputation and that are also conducive to my business goals and my professional career. So ask yourself, what do I need? What networks do I have to have in order to continue improving my online presence, but also give my business some momentum and some traction? So number 2, social networks. Let's revise one more time. Write articles every month about yourself. I teach you how to in my videos, so go take a look at the resources. Check out my website, nadernajadmedia.com, and go and read some of the articles. The blogs will teach you how to do it. Second thing, pick those social networks, run them. You can use social media automation tools like Buffer to help you do that. And the third one, I recommend this to a lot of people, it's to get on camera, to create video like I am today. Or if your business goals are different, they're separate, and you have, a different communication strategy, one tip I recommend you do is to have video assets created anyway, either internally within your company or have somebody else do it for your brand to continue keeping that momentum going. And don't forget, multimedia in blogs ranks better. Multimedia alone as an asset on Vimeo or YouTube or anywhere else will also rank. So the idea is to use these networks, leverage them, and consistently pump out content to boost your online presence. My name's Nader Najad. Don't forget to wash behind your ears. Don't forget to put your name in the keywords you need in your articles so they rank. It was a lot longer. I have to shorten that statement a little bit, but we're working on it. Again, if you need online reputation help, links in the description down below. Always happy to help. My name's Nader Najad, and thank you for watching.